that 9 out of 10 home sellers are worried about home inspection when selling their home. Not knowing what to expect could cost you thousands of dollars. To avoid these mistakes and save thousands of dollars, you need to read a copy of this report called 11 Things You Need to Know to Pass Your Home Inspection. According to experts, there are 33 physical problems that will come under scrutiny during a home inspection when your home is for sale. Whether you own an old home or a brand new one, there are a number of things that can fall short of requirement during home inspection. If not identified and dealt with, any of these items could cost you thousands of dollars. You can completely avoid this by calling 647-848-2652 and request a free copy of this report. Call 647-848-2652 or text 11 things to 647-848-2652.